Winter is coming fast, and most people make one huge mistake. They wait until the first snowfall to get their homes ready. By then, pipes can freeze, chimneys become fire hazards, and simple tasks turn into expensive emergencies. This year, things will be different for you. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact cleaning tasks that need your attention right now, before the cold weather arrives. These aren't just cleaning tips, they're money-saving strategies that will keep your home safe, warm, and comfortable all winter long. Before we get into the details, do me a quick favor. If you want more practical cleaning advice that actually works for real people, hit that subscribe button right now. It helps me keep bringing you useful content like this. And if you find even one helpful tip in this guide, leave a like and drop a comment telling me which task you're tackling first. I read every single comment, and your feedback helps me create better content for everyone watching. Now let's get your home winter ready. Section 1. Why fall cleaning matters. Most people think spring cleaning is the most important time of year for deep cleaning your home. That's what we've been told our whole lives, right? But here's the truth. Fall cleaning might be even more critical, especially for those of us who live in areas with harsh winters. Think about what happens when winter hits. You close up your house. The windows stay shut for months. You crank up the heating system. Every bit of dust, dirt, and grime that built up during summer and fall gets trapped inside with you. The air quality drops. Allergens multiply. Your heating system works harder than it should, driving up your energy bills. This is exactly why preparing your home before the temperature drops makes such a difference. You're not just cleaning for the sake of cleaning. You're setting yourself up for a healthier, more comfortable, and more affordable winter season. The holidays are right around the corner, too. You'll have guests coming over. The last thing you want is to scramble through last-minute cleaning when you should be enjoying time with family and friends. So let's talk about the specific areas in your home that need attention before winter truly sets in. These are tasks that become much harder or even impossible once the cold weather arrives. Trust me, taking care of these things now will save you headaches, money, and possibly even prevent dangerous situations down the road. Section 2. Glass surfaces and floor coverings. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Your windows and carpets. These two things have more impact on your winter comfort than most people realize. During fall, your windows collect layers of dust, pollen, and grime. You probably haven't noticed because they build up gradually over weeks and months. But here's what happens when you don't clean them before winter starts. All that dirt on your glass blocks natural sunlight from entering your home. And during winter months, when daylight hours are already shorter, you need every bit of natural light you can get. Natural sunlight doesn't just brighten your space, it actually helps warm your home. Clean windows allow more solar heat to come through, which means your heating system doesn't have to work as hard. This translates directly into lower energy bills. Plus, natural light improves your mood during those long, dark winter months. Seasonal depression is real, and clean windows that let in maximum sunlight can help combat those winter blues. Here's how to tackle this job properly. Start with the outside of your windows while the weather is still decent. Use a mixture of warm water and a small amount of dish soap. A squeegee works better than paper towels and leaves no streaks. Don't forget the window frames and sills. They collect just as much dirt as the glass itself. For the inside, use a glass cleaner and microfiber cloth. Make sure to wipe down the tracks where windows slide open and shut. These tracks collect dead bugs, dust, and debris that can prevent windows from sealing properly, letting cold air leak into your home. Now let's talk about your carpets and rugs. During fall, they trap all kinds of allergens: pollen from outside, dust mites, pet dander if you have animals, and general household dust. When winter comes and your house gets sealed up tight, these allergens just circulate through your heating system over and over again. This can trigger breathing problems, allergies, and make everyone in your home feel less healthy. Give every carpet and rug a thorough vacuum before winter, and I mean thorough. Go over high-traffic areas multiple times from different directions. If you have a carpet cleaner or can rent one, even better. Deep cleaning removes the allergens that vacuuming alone can't reach. Pay special attention to areas under furniture that don't get regular vacuuming. Move the couch, shift the coffee table, pull out the beds. Those hidden areas harbor the most accumulated dust and dirt. For area rugs, take them outside on a nice day and give them a good beating over a railing or clothesline. Shake out all that trapped dirt. Let them air out in the fresh fall breeze. This old-fashioned method still works incredibly well. Once winter hits, you won't want to haul heavy rugs outside in freezing temperatures, so do it now while you still can.
Section 3. Your climate control system. Your heating system is about to become your best friend for the next several months. But if it's clogged with dust and debris, it's going to work against you instead of for you. When was the last time you changed the filter in your heating and cooling system? If you can't remember, that's your answer. It needs changing right now. Most filters should be replaced every 3 months, but many people go 6 months, a year, or even longer without thinking about it. A dirty filter forces your heating system to work much harder to push air through your home. This means higher energy bills and more wear on your equipment. But there's an even more important reason to care about this: your health. A clogged filter can't properly clean the air circulating through your house. All those allergens, dust particles, and even bacteria just keep recycling through the air you breathe. During winter, when everyone is inside more and cold and flu viruses are spreading, good air quality becomes even more critical. Changing the filter is just the first step. Next, you need to clean out your heating vents themselves. Most homes have vents in the floor, walls, or ceiling. These vents accumulate dust, pet hair, and other debris that blocks proper airflow. Here's what to do. Remove the vent covers. Most just lift off or have a couple of screws holding them in place. Take them to your bathtub or outside and wash them with soap and water. While they're drying, use your vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to suck out the dust from inside the ductwork. You can also use a damp cloth to wipe down the first few inches of duct that you can reach. This simple maintenance does 2 important things. First, it improves your air quality by removing all that accumulated dust. Second, it allows your heating system to work more efficiently, which lowers your energy costs. Clean vents mean warm air flows freely throughout your home, keeping every room comfortable without making your furnace work overtime. Some people hire professionals to clean their entire duct system every few years, and that's not a bad idea if you can afford it. But even basic DIY vent cleaning makes a significant difference and costs you nothing but time.
Section 4. Seasonal Wardrobe Organization. Your closet deserves attention before winter arrives. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about preparation and making your life easier during the cold months ahead. Pull out all your winter clothes: coats, sweaters, gloves, hats, scarves, boots, thermal underwear, everything. Lay it all out where you can see it. Now go through each item carefully. Check for holes, loose buttons, broken zippers, or other damage that happened last year. Many people discover on the first cold day of winter that their favorite coat has a broken zipper or their warmest sweater has moth holes. By then, it's too late for easy fixes. But if you discover these problems now, you have time to make repairs or replace items before you actually need them. Try things on. Bodies change over the course of a year. That coat that fit perfectly last winter might be too tight or too loose now. Better to find out during a relaxed closet organizing session than when you're rushing out the door on a freezing morning. Be honest with yourself about what you actually wear. We all have clothes we keep just in case but never actually use. If you didn't wear something last winter, you probably won't wear this winter either. Donate those items to charity where someone else can benefit from them. This frees up valuable closet space and makes finding the clothes you do wear much easier. While you're doing this wardrobe review, make a list of anything you need to buy. Maybe your winter boots are worn out. Maybe you need another warm sweater. Maybe the kids have outworn their winter coats.
Making this list now gives you time to shop sales and find good deals instead of paying premium prices when the cold weather hits and everyone needs winter gear at once. Don't forget accessories. Check the condition of your gloves. Do they have holes? Are they warm enough? What about your scarves, hats, and earmuffs? These small items make a huge difference in staying comfortable outdoors during winter, and they're easy to overlook until you're standing outside freezing. Once you've sorted everything, organize your closet so winter clothes are easy to access. Put away your summer clothes to make room. Store them in bins or vacuum bags to free up prime hanging space for the coats and sweaters you'll be reaching for every day.
Section 5. Under Sink Storage Areas. Here's an area most people completely forget about until there's a problem: the space under your sinks. In cold climates, this space becomes surprisingly important during winter months. The pipes under your sinks are vulnerable to freezing when temperatures drop very low. Frozen pipes can burst, causing thousands of dollars in water damage. One of the simplest ways to prevent this is keeping cabinet doors open during extremely cold nights. This allows warm air from your home to circulate around the pipes, keeping them from freezing. But here's the problem many people face. The space under their sinks is so crammed with stuff that air can't circulate properly even with the doors open. Bottles of cleaning spray, stacks of sponges, piles of dish soap, extra rolls of toilet paper, all of this creates a dense mess that blocks airflow around the pipes. Now is the time to clean out this space. Pull everything out from under every sink in your home. Bathroom sinks, kitchen sink, utility sink, all of them. Throw away empty bottles, dried up sponges, and products you never use. Wipe down the cabinet interior to remove any spills or grime. Then reorganize what goes back in there. The goal is keeping the area around the pipes as clear as possible. Use organizers that mount to the cabinet doors instead of sitting on the floor of the cabinet. This keeps supplies accessible while leaving the space around pipes open for air circulation. Check the pipes themselves while everything is cleared out. Look for any signs of leaks, corrosion, or damage. Better to discover a small leak now when you can get it fixed easily than during a holiday weekend when plumbers charge emergency rates. This task takes maybe 20 minutes per sink, but it could save you from a plumbing disaster that costs thousands of dollars and ruins your holiday season. That's a pretty good return on investment for such a simple job.
Section 6. Fireplace and Chimney Maintenance. Before winter, get your fireplace and chimney professionally cleaned. Burning wood creates creosote, a sticky, flammable residue that builds up inside the chimney. Too much creosote can ignite, causing dangerous chimney fires that may spread through your home. Even without a fire, buildup can block airflow, pushing smoke and carbon monoxide back into your house. A yearly professional cleaning removes these hazards and helps inspectors catch cracks or damage early. It usually costs $100 to $300, far less than repairing fire damage. While you're at it, clean out old ashes, test the damper, check that the screen or glass doors are secure, and stock up on dry firewood. A cozy fire is wonderful, but only when it's safe. Section 7. Food Storage Evaluation. Winter prep isn't just about staying warm, it's about staying stocked. Go through your pantry and check every item's expiration date. Old baking powder, stale spices, or dented cans can ruin meals or even cause illness. Toss anything expired, rusted, or bulging. Check dry goods like rice and pasta for bugs or pantry moths. If you bake during the holidays, make sure your flour, sugar, and leavening agents are fresh. After clearing out bad items, make a shopping list to restock essentials before holiday crowds hit. Organize shelves by category and keep older items in front so you use them first. A clean, organized pantry saves time, prevents waste, and helps you cook comfortably without extra grocery trips during cold weather.
Section 8. Garage Preparation. Get your garage winter ready before the first snowstorm. Check that your snow shovel, ice scraper, and snowblower are in good working order. Test the snowblower now, replace old gas, top off oil, and confirm it starts easily. Stock up on salt or ice melt for driveways and walkways to prevent slips. Also, prepare your car for emergencies. Keep blankets, a flashlight with working batteries, jumper cables, and emergency flares in the trunk. Organize your garage so winter tools are easy to reach. Move summer items to the back and bring winter gear forward. This quick preparation saves time, stress, and frustration when the temperature drops.
Section 9. Basement Maintenance. Your basement can become a problem area in winter if ignored. Start by decluttering. Throw away junk, donate unused items, and organize what's left. Clean the floor, ceiling, and walls to remove dust and cobwebs. Inspect for cracks, gaps, or holes that let in cold air or pests. Seal small gaps with caulk or expanding foam, and stuff steel wool around pipe openings to keep mice out. Check basement windows and reseal or weather strip them if they're drafty. Look for any signs of moisture or leaks, which can lead to mold or mildew. Good lighting is also important. Replace dim bulbs so the area feels safer and more usable. If your washer and dryer are down there, clean the lint trap and vent hose to prevent fire hazards. A clean, sealed basement helps your home stay warmer and more energy efficient all winter.
Taking action. These tasks might sound like a lot, but you don't need to do them all at once. Focus on what matters most for your area: chimney safety, heating, or organizing spaces for holiday comfort. The key is to start early before freezing weather makes every job harder. Get family members involved. It's faster and teaches valuable home care habits. Each task on this list protects your home, saves energy, prevents costly repairs, and keeps your family safe. Don't wait until problems appear. Start preparing while fall weather is still mild. If this guide helped you get your home winter ready, hit that like button and share it with friends or family. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical home tips. Comment below and tell me which task you'll tackle first, or share your favorite winter prep ideas. I love hearing your stories and tips. Thanks for watching. Stay warm, stay safe, and keep your home running smoothly all winter long. This is Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, signing off.